Let's create the vertigo effect, aka the Hitchcock effect in post. Go ahead and load a video clip of you moving backwards or forwards towards the subject. If you're moving forward, reverse the clip. And make sure you don't have people or cars moving backwards. Trim as needed. Set your beginning keyframe at 100%. And then move to the end of the clip and set it for a much larger size. I'm going with 175%. You can experiment with speed and sizes to get the look you want. Thanks for watching.